Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a menu item that takes visitors to a new page in Wix. Clear navigation helps everyone easily explore different sections of the website. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, we go to the upper left part to access our websites. Click this, then go to All Websites, or go directly to the website. Once we are on the website's page, click this, and we will be redirected to the editing page of the website. Once here, the first thing we do is add a window that will link to another page. To do this, click the Add button, click the Anchor element, then click below and Anchor. We just need to click to select this type. Decide where you want to place it. Let's use this as an example. Once we have this, to make it link to another place, click this and Manage Menu. Here, this is for the whole site. Click the three dots. We need to change the link. For example, if we want to go to another page, choose it from the menu, and it will go to the second page. Since there is only one page and the site is not yet edited, we are just using this for an example. You can choose where it takes you. If you choose already what page you want to redirect your menu, click the page you chosen. Once clicked, then click Done. This is how we add a menu that links to a new page in Wix. It is easy and simple. With proper navigation, the site becomes more organized and user-friendly.